after all that. You got to do it again.
Ready?
Okay, here he comes. Look out! Now it's recording. Okay.
Run!
Run, Monica, run. Run like the wind. Ah! Oh, she shut the light off. Quick, turn the light, Amanda. Quick. Turn the light off. Oh, he doesn't know where the towel is. Show him the towel. Here he comes.
I got the towel. Oh.
Ah!
Mom and Daddy brought
Quick, Amanda, get the towel. Run, Amanda, run.
just as her life.
Where'd it go?
It's right over your head. He loves you. He loves the towel. Here he comes. Dive bomb. Here he comes. Run, run. Amanda, where Amanda? Look out. It's on her back. Wait. Hold on. Oh, here, let me see the towel. Here.
The work out in a half.
There. Step up. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Step up. Come on. Step up. Step up. Don't bite. That's a good boy. Come on. There he goes. Step up. Ow! Just bit me.
An asshole bird.
Amanda, get out here. Amanda. Do something. We forgot the bathroom. Get your bird. He's biting me. Ooh, she grabbed him. She just pushed him in the towel. Look at him. He's mental. Look at him. Oh, God, he's crazy. He loves that towel. Oh, your cage. Oh, and Amanda rescues the humans.
Oh boy.
Wow, that was wild. Good job. Good job.
Such a long time.
You know